Picture this: a factory that builds cars 24/7 with zero human workers. No lunch breaks, no sick days, no mistakes. Sounds like science fiction? It's happening right now. Welcome back to Future Gen News. Today we're diving into the mind-blowing reality of full automation. And trust me, the numbers will shock you. Right now, there are over 4 million industrial robots working across the globe. That's more robots than the entire population of Los Angeles. And get this, in 2023 alone, companies installed over 540,000 new robots. That's like adding 1,500 robot workers every single day. But here's where it gets crazy. China isn't just leading, they're dominating. They account for 51% of all robot installations globally. Meanwhile, South Korea has gone full cyborg, with 1,012 robots per 10,000 workers. That's literally one robot for every 10 humans. Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory just hit 95% automation. They're cranking out a Model Y every 30 seconds with barely any humans in sight. Amazon? They've deployed over 750,000 robots. That's an army of mechanical workers that never sleeps, never complains, and never asks for a raise. Welcome to Lights Out Manufacturing. Factories so automated they literally run in the dark. FANUC in Japan has been doing this since 2001, with robots building other robots for 30 days straight without human intervention. Philips produces electric razors with just 128 robots and only 9 human supervisors. Now for the elephant in the room: jobs. The data is stark. 1.7 million manufacturing jobs have already been automated away. Each robot replaces about 1.6 human workers. By 2030, we're looking at 20 million manufacturing jobs potentially automated. That's not fear-mongering, that's math. But here's the twist. Enter collaborative robots or cobots. These aren't job killers, they're job partners. The cobot market is exploding at 31.6% annual growth, reaching $11.6 billion by 2030. These robots work alongside humans, handling the dangerous and repetitive stuff, while humans focus on creative problem solving. And now, the game changer: humanoid robots. Tesla plans to deploy over 1,000 Optimus robots in their factories by 2025. These aren't clunky machines. They're human-shaped, AI-powered workers that can adapt to any environment designed for humans. Goldman Sachs predicts this market will hit $38 billion by 2035. The economics are brutal but simple. Robot costs dropped 40% between 2022-2024, while labor costs keep rising. A robot that works 24/7 for years costs less than a human worker for months. Companies aren't choosing robots to be mean, they're choosing them to survive. So how close are we to full automation? We're not there yet, but we're sprinting toward it. Some factories are already 95% automated. Humanoid robots are moving from labs to production floors, and the economics make it inevitable. The question isn't if, it's how fast we adapt to this robot-powered future. What do you think? Partner with the machines or get replaced by them? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reality checks.